First of all, this side Aarti, and I am the founder of Diva Planet magazine and Crown Times, and you all are in contact with me only since starting of the event.
Okay.
And this magazine is totally dedicated to women only, and we are doing these award shows and magazine features since last 4 years when I started this venture during COVID-19, and I just thought to come with an online concept, and I never know that people are going to love this concept this much, even after 4 years of the COVID. So let's now move to your things. So, a warm welcome to all the top 30 inspiring women here. And today we gather to celebrate the achievements and contributions of 30 extraordinary women who have made a significant impact in their respective fields and a society as a whole, as we can see. So, to all our awardees, we honor your dedication, perseverance, and passion, and your story is definitely a testament to the power of women's leadership in the history, as well as we can see right now also women inspiring to all the people. So we are thrilled to recognize your accomplishments and share your journey with the world. So congratulations on this well-deserved recognition, and thank you for being a source of inspiration to us all, because to be honest, I come to know a lot of new fields by like your profiles. When I just scroll your profiles, when I saw the work which you have done, it's really inspiring and inspire us to do more in this. So many congratulations. So let's start the virtual ceremony where we are going to announce your names one by one and your selected categories. Okay. And after that, I will hand over the thing to you. And there is only a small thing I want to mention, that please take 1 to 1.5 minutes to describe yourself so that we can record it properly, right? So as you all know that this meeting is in recording right now, so आप जो भी बोलेंगे, whatever you want to share with your bodies and with other people, because this meeting is going to be live on Instagram as well later on, so वो सब कुछ record होगा. So अगर आप कुछ भी share करना चाहते हैं, so feel free to share it. Okay, so let me announce the names one by one. So can we start? So I can see a lot of awardees also join. Please turn on your cam if possible. It will be a lovely interaction if I can see you. It's a humble request to the rest awardees, Vashanta ji, Sana ji, Yasashvi ji. As we are going to record it, so like it will be good if you can turn on your cam. Okay, so let's move to the very first awardee. So many congratulations to Usha Maskara ji, and she has been awarded as Lifetime Achievement Award for being Inspirational Educationalist of the Year 2024. Can we have you, ma'am, please?
Yes. Clap, clap, clap.
Thank you. Our journey, I'm a educationalist in the field of education, and started a play school 29 years ago. We were living in Gorakhpur, and actually there was no place there. And children in other cities, we used to see small children going with their bags and learning a lot. So I thought of starting a preschool in Gorakhpur. Initially, we started with 9 children, and now we have around 200 children. And it's a real pleasure seeing them grow and learn.
Definitely.
And before that, I was also teaching. I was teaching. So education has been my fascination. I really love it. I love children grow and learn. And in preschool, they have a learning in the fun way.
That's a really great initiative. and we can see that you have given a lot of time of your life
Yes.
to the education, so it's really good to see. So thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. So our very next awardee is Dr. Humaira Aslam Sheikh, and she has been awarded as Best Manufacturing Hair Care Product 2024. So can we have you?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
हाँ जी.
हेलो, सबसे पहले हैप्पी फ्रेंडशिप टू ऑल एंड थैंक्स. आई एम लॉट्स ग्रेटिट्यूड टू आरती मैम, जिन्होंने इतना मुझे हेल्प किया. एंड मैं अपने बारे में बताना चाहूँगी. आई एम डॉक्टर हुमैरा असलम शेख, CEO एंड फाउंडर ऑफ सर्व परियारा हेयर रिग्रोथ ऑयल फ्रॉम प्राउडली सिंह, राजनांदगांव, छत्तीसगढ़. सो बस मेरी ये छोटी सी स्टोरी है कि मैंने 13 ईयर से बहुत सारा हेयर फॉल का प्रॉब्लम मतलब लिया अपने ऊपर. बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम हुआ मुझे, पूरा सामने का पैचेस खाली हो गए थे. बहुत सारा ट्रीटमेंट कराया, कुछ रिजल्ट नहीं मिला. फिर एक छोटा सा फॉर्मूला मैंने लॉन्च किया, जिसमें खुद से अपने ऊपर ट्राई किया, बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट मिला. एंड नाउ मेरे साथ 150 लोग काम कर रहे हैं, सर्व परिहारा फैमिली के हिस्सा हैं. और प्राउडली सेइंग कि आप लोग ने मैगजीन में जगह देकर मेरे बिजनेस को बहुत अच्छा ग्रोथ दिया है. सो थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. So if anyone is facing any issue regarding the hair, because right now like climate change is also contributing to this factor, so anyone is facing, they can contact to Dr. Humaira directly. Okay, feel free to contact her. You, any of your friends, family member, you can like reach out to her. So our very next awardee is Achal Rahul Verma, and she has been selected as Best Emerging Tarot Card Reader of the Year 2024. So can we have you, Achal ji?
Yes, ma'am. Hello. A very good morning to everyone present here, and heartiest congratulations to each one of you for the awards for your category. This is my first ever award, so gratitude to ma'am, your magazine and the universe. So I have been awarded as the best emerging tarot card reader, and this is my spiritual path which I have selected for myself. बहुत ही ups and downs के बाद में I realized that my spiritual goal and my spiritual journey is to heal people, especially the lower class people, and now I'm on the path of healing them emotionally, mentally, physically. So thank you, and gratitude to each one of you, and please pray for me that I achieve my goal very soon and be able to enlighten people on this journey and heal people on this journey.
Definitely,
thank you so much.
Thank you. So our very next awardee is Sonali Telang, and she has been selected as Best Marketing Leadership Award of the Year 2024. So can we have you, Sonali ji?
Thank you, Aarti, and thank you very much for this honor, and a very good evening to everybody. I am a marketer from past 15 years. I have been working for 13 years for big companies in India like Interglobe, Marriott International, Mercedes, ICICI, before starting up with my own venture, which is a marketing agency, a creative shuttle. I started 2 years back, and I'm based in Ahmedabad right now, and I have some really good clients who are Gujarat's topmost companies, and I'm really glad that you have given me this opportunity and this award, which will help me and my business to grow more by this recognition.
Thank you so much. And actually just want to mention one thing, that not only we are helping you out, but you people also believing in us, so we are also doing good. So it's like a mutual thing, right? Because it's very hard to trust someone who is just online and you are interacting for the very first time, right? Because a lot of thoughts going on. And I can totally understand the thing when someone comes to us and asks कि ये fraud तो नहीं है या fake तो नहीं है. So it's your thing also कि आप लोग trust करते हैं, इतना believe करते हैं process के साथ में, जो हम time देते हैं आप लोग पूरा cooperate करते हैं उस time period के साथ में. So we also want we are also so grateful to all of you. So thank you so much for believing in us. And moving to the next awardee. So our very next awardee is Sana Khurramji, and she has been awarded as Best Emerging YouTuber of the Year 2024. So can we have you?
Yeah, can you see me?
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
can you see me?
Yes.
Yeah, you can see me, right? Thank you so much, Aarti ma'am. I'm so honored to have received this award. One second, ma'am. One second. One second, ma'am.
Yeah.
One second, ma'am. Yeah. Ma'am, thank you so much for honoring me with this award, Best Emerging YouTuber Award. Definitely, I'm very much, honored by this award. I just words can't express how happy I feel about it. I've been, posting my cooking videos for the past 3 years in YouTube, and my cooking channel is Cook with Sanakuram, and I have about 6,500, more than 65, subscribers, and I'm also active in my Instagram, and hope that this award definitely will take me to the horizon. Definitely, I'm hoping that this award will help me a lot in my career. And thank you so much, because for us creators like this, creators like us need this kind of boost. Actually, this gives a lot of energy to us. This kind of awards and all that gives us a lot of energy, to proceed further in our career. So thank you so much, Aarti ma'am, for this honor.
Thank you so much. So moving to the next awardee is Veena Makwan, and she has been awarded as Best Iconic Chef of the Year 2024. So can we have you, Veena ji? Actually, आप म्यूट पे हैं. Can you unmute yourself? There is a speaker below the corner.
Yeah. Hello.
Audible
Hello.
now. Haan ji.
Hi everyone. Good morning to all of you. Myself, Chef Veena Rajesh Makwan, and I am a owner and founder of Veena's Food Studio. Basically, I am a science graduate, BSc with chemistry. बट मेरा पैसन था कुकिंग का, तो मैंने इसमें अपना करियर बनाया. इस फील्ड में मैं आगे बढ़ी. पहले मैं एज अ कंटेस्टेंट सब में कुकिंग कंपटीशन सब में पार्ट लिया. 2016 में मैंने दिल्ली में एक कंपटीशन विन किया, टॉप 10 क्लासिक शेफ का. और इसके आगे फिर मेरी जर्नी चलती गई. सब टीवी प्रोग्राम और टीवी चैनल्स में अपना कुकिंग शो वगैरह सब करने लगी. फिर अभी तो मैं एज अ कंटेस्टेंट जो गई थी, अभी मैं एज अ जज के लिए कुकिंग कंपटीशन में जाती हूँ. रिसेंटली मेरा संजीव कपूर के साथ भी मेरा एक प्रोग्राम हुआ अभी रिसेंटली, और मैं अहमदाबाद में हूँ, गुजरात अहमदाबाद में, और वहीं मेरा फूड स्टूडियो में मैं रन कर रही हूँ अभी. मेरे यूट्यूब पर भी 1200 करीबन मेरा सब्सक्राइबर है. मेरी इंस्टा पर मैं एक्टिव हूँ, और फेसबुक पे मेरे 6.7K करीबन फॉलोअर्स है. तो प्लीज मुझे इस बारे में सपोर्ट कीजिए, मेरी चैनल को सपोर्ट कीजिए और आगे बढ़ने में मुझे हेल्प कीजिए. और ये अवार्ड मुझे मेरे करियर में बहुत अच्छा मुझे फायदा करेगा. तो थैंक यू सो मच आरती मैम.
Thank you. I can see a lot of people from Gujarat here, I think.
Yeah.
Overall, also, I got a lot of awardees from Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh, from southern states most of the time. So it's good to see. So our very next awardee is V. Vasanta Madhuri, and she has been awarded as Empowerment Icon of the Year 2024. So can we have you, please?
Yeah, hi Aarti, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I want to congratulate all the awardees who present here.
Thank you.
I am Lion Vasanta Madhuri. My profession is I am graphic designer. I have past 15 years of experience in graphic designing. So due to the vast experience, recently I started my own startup. It's called Maddie's Design Studio. So we do graphic, web and video services from our company. Apart from that, I am a general secretary for sports association. It's called Ice Curling. So I have trained in Sweden, and even we do some social service activities from Lions Club too. So that's, and thank you Aarti for selecting me for this award.
Thank you. Okay, so our very next awardee is Priya Tiwari, and she has been selected as Best Model and Poet of the Year 2024. So, can we have you?
Yeah, hi ma'am. Good morning. Happy Sunday.
Good morning.
So nice to meet you, and it's good to see you. And I would like to say very special words about Aarti ma'am. You know, she is someone who is an amazing mentor, and just she loves to support everyone. This is the biggest thing about Aarti ma'am. And Diva Planet magazine is a all-woman platform. So I am really happy and thrilled to be a part of this. And basically, I'm an engineer, and I've started modeling since 2022. And right now, I'm the reigning queen of Miss Central India. So I'm really happy getting awarded by Diva Planet magazine as Best Model of the Year. And
Thank you so much. Good to
yes,
see
thank
you
you.
after a long time.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Same here. We'll meet soon in person. And
Yeah,
congrats
sure.
to all the awardees.
Thank you so much. Okay, so coming to our very next awardee is Dr. Apurva Chimnashaha Vichare, and she has been selected as Best Iconic Doctor of the Year 2024. So, can we have you?
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yes. Good morning, all of you. Myself, Dr. Apurva Vichare from Kolhapur. I'm working in Late Kedari Redekar Hospital as a gynecologist. As I'm working in rural hospital, I love to provide all the medicinal facilities to the poor people with the help of my management body. Thank you, Diva Planet, for giving me this opportunity. I'm so much grateful that you gave me this opportunity. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much. Coming to next awardee is Mani Deepa Sinha Hazra, and she has been selected as Best Business Leader of the Year 2024. I'm sorry if I have pronunciated your surname in a wrong way.
No. That's totally fine. Hi everyone. Thanks to Diva Planet magazine for awarding me. It's an honor to receive an award from you guys. It's like an inspiration actually to work wonders. So I actually work in JP Morgan. When I love to wear sarees. So my business is basically House of Noir. I started this with the goal to bring into plate the cotton sarees basically, which are very comfortable and easy to wear. But people actually think that this cotton sarees people can't they can't carry. If we have to wash it with starch and all, it's heavy to wear, and you can't carry it to work, or in corporate space you can't carry sarees. So this was a myth. What I am trying to do is bring this culture that okay, people who love to wear sari can actually carry it to their workplace as well. They can be simple, elegant, and yet look very classy, the hand painted cotton sarees and very minimalist prints and all. So I started this venture with this goal. And also, like House of Noir, we make this handmade perfumes. I personally love to use perfumes and wear saris. So these two were my this was like a passion. I was unable to when I started my career in IT. I used to see that people use branded perfumes and all, which used to smell so good, but I was not able to afford those. So we started making these perfumes perfumes which are inspired from these international brands, which actually costs more than 20-30K. We are trying to bring this in a very affordable price to all our customers. Like, I myself use this, so this motivates me a lot. Like, people are loving these perfumes, these fragrances, and getting recognized for something like for my passion that I'm following is great. Like, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So our very next awardee is Yashasvi Mandapati, and she has been selected as the youngest community leader in technology of the year 2024. So can we have you?
Everyone, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Firstly, congratulations to all the winners out there. It's nice to see women come out and do something special. And secondly, a very happy Friendships Day. So I am Yashasvi. I am currently an undergraduate student still pursuing my engineering. So the work that I have done in past 1.5 years is that I've been working as a community lead at a technical community called EDAM, where we try to bridge the gap between college environment and corporate world. It is basically like an upskill program where we help students conduct different programs to portray what technologies are out there and what students can pursue. So yeah, that's practically my work. Thank you for having me here today.
Thank you so much. It's really great to see you all smiling on Sunday morning. Okay, so coming to our very next awardee is Babita Hambrom, and she has been awarded as Lifetime Achievement Award as Inspiring Women of the Year 2024. So can we have you, please?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes,
Can
yes.
you hear me? Yes. Good morning to all of you, and heartiest congratulations to all the ladies present here. It is really, it's an empowerment. The women empowerment can be seen here on the screen right now. So it's really, I'm really happy to see people coming up, ladies coming up and performing so well. It's really good to see all of you here. Myself, as such, as Aarti said, I'm Babita Hambrom, and I belong to Ranchi, Jharkhand, but presently in Delhi. I'm an engineer, basically an engineer, but my journey is literally inspiring because as an engineer, I started as an engineer, worked for 2 years, and then I shifted to engineering to an educator and reached a new height, which literally did my B.Ed because of the education, what the school needs right now, did my master's, and presently will be doing my PhD. And the breakdown, in fact, when I stopped working is because of my son and my health issues. And then from there, I picked up painting, and now I'm an artist. And since it was my passion during my school days, I started off again during COVID time. And now as an artist, I'm an entrepreneur also, and selling my artworks all over India and world. And this particular award, which is really special from me, can you see all of you? Yeah, this is special definitely because this will literally help me now. Since as an entrepreneur, it literally boosts me to do my new work and reach out to people. Thank you so much. And I'm really proud of the founder and CEO of this particular Diva Planet magazine, who has come up with such a good platform to all the ladies here out. So I'm really thankful to you, and thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for appreciating. So coming to our next awardee is Dr. Manisha Kumari, and she has been selected as Best Dental Surgeon of the Year 2024. So can we have Dr. Manisha?
Yes. Very good morning to one and all. This is Dr. Manisha, and I'm currently pursuing my post-graduation in Department of Periodontology from Government Dental College, Raipur, and I had done my UG from Army College of Dental Sciences, Secunderabad, and there I was the student of the year of my batch, and I was also awarded Chief of the Army Staff Award there. I'm currently in hostel only, and my passion towards dentistry is, I'm very passionate about it, and I'm so happy, Aarti ma'am, for choosing me and for awarding me as the Best Dental Surgeon Award for the year 2024. And, I have my Instagram page, which I started at the beginning of this year, and the page is the dental notification to help out all the MDS aspirants or or the UG aspirants, starting from be it MBBS or BDS or MD, MS, whatever it is, all the to guide them based on my personal experiences. And thankful to you again, and I want to congratulate all the awardees. I'm so happy to see you all too.
Thank you so much. So just want to mention one thing. आपका meeting शायद within 2-3 minutes or 4 minutes कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, तो आप लोग एक बार दोबारा इस लिंक से ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा इन केस बीच में मीटिंग कंप्लीट होता है तो, बिकॉज वी टेक फ्यू स्क्रीनशॉट्स एंड अभी 2 names आर देयर टू बी अनाउंस्ड. तो इन केस अगर मीटिंग एंड होता है तो आप लोग सेम लिंक से एक बार दोबारा ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा. सो कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट अवॉर्डी is Mamta Narvaria, and she has been selected as Award of Excellence as Outstanding Chef of the Year 2024. So can we have you, Mamta ji?
Hello, good morning Aarti ma'am.
Good morning.
वेरी ब्यूटीफुल मॉर्निंग, क्योंकि आज वाकई में ब्यूटीफुल मॉर्निंग है. आज सभी लोगों से मिलना हो रहा है और स्पेशली आरती मैम से मिलना चाहती थी क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे इतना सपोर्ट किया है. थैंक यू सो मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
थैंक यू.
और सभी फ्रेंड्स के लिए हैप्पी फ्रेंडशिप डे.
हैप्पी फ्रेंडशिप डे.
हैप्पी फ्रेंडशिप डे.
हाँ जी, थैंक यू सो मच. मेरा नाम ममता है, ममता नरवरिया, और मैं मध्य प्रदेश से हूँ और शेफ हूँ. अभी कुछ समय पहले मैंने 1 घंटे में 36 व्यंजन बनाकर वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया था. तो उसी के लिए मुझे काफ़ी अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया, जैसे एक नारी 100 पर भारी दिल्ली में दिया गया, और इंदौर में भी मिले हैं, जैसे वुमेन सुपर अचीवर अवार्ड, सुपर शेफ का अवार्ड. और मैं एक हाउस वाइफ भी हूँ, टीचर भी हूँ, और जॉइंट फैमिली है, और एक यूट्यूबर भी हूँ. और आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सपोर्ट करिएगा. अभी ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइबर नहीं है, हाँ, लेकिन 2400 है.
That's so sweet of you.
और मैं दिवा प्लैनेट की
सब्सक्राइबर.
यस मैम, मैं दिवा प्लैनेट की सारी टीम को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी, और स्पेशली आरती मैम को बहुत सारा धन्यवाद. अच्छे से आप हेल्प करते हो, और मुझे आपकी अवार्ड भी दिया गया. दिवा प्लैनेट टीम द्वारा मुझे अवार्ड भी दिया गया, साथ ही मैगजीन में स्थान भी दिया गया. ये मेरे लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है. थैंक यू सो मच. और आपके लिए हमेशा मेरे बेटी जैसी फीलिंग आती है, क्योंकि आपकी जैसी मेरी एक बेटी है वो उसने काफी सपोर्ट किया मुझे।
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच।
Okay, so coming to our next awardee, Sophia James. She has been selected as Inspirational Women Leader, Women Role Model of the Year 2024. So can we have you, Sophia ji?
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, all of you. I'm Sophia James from Kerala, in the district of Idukki. I'm working as a development officer at LIC of India for the past 15 years. And then I want to say about my some little achievements in the last year. And then last year I participated in Mrs. Kerala 2023. There I got subtitled for Best Beautiful Skin. Then I participated in Mrs. India Goddess Season 2 in the month of May. There also I got the best subtitle of the Golden Heart Award. Then I am the finalist of Mrs. World International Season 2 also. So I'm working for the empowerment of women in the rural people, and I'm very happy for doing my job, not just like a job. I'm doing as a social worker also. So I express my sincere gratitude to the Planet also for selecting me as a for this award, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I think from my side I have announced all the names जो भी अवॉर्डीज यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट हैं. इफ इन केस किसी का नेम अनाउंस नहीं हुआ है who is in the meeting, please let me know. But as I can see, I have announced all the names. If is there someone? So thank you so much everyone for giving your time, and it was really a lovely interaction. Like I find you all same जैसा मैं आपसे chat पे बात करती हूँ, but it's just कि it's the very first time I am connecting with you all on a video call. So it was really a lovely interaction, a small meeting but a really fruitful, or I would say a meeting where from where I have learned a lot of things, like seeing you all smiling and telling your stories to all the people. It's really inspiring. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And also happy Friendship Day to all the lovely ladies and Aarti ma'am.
Thank you, Priya.
Same to you.
Okay, so thank you so much. I think now if you want आप लोग meet leave कर सकते हैं. आपके जो भी screenshots, videos होंगे that we will share very soon. Also news coverage part will be done in 3 to 4 days. Okay. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you all.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.